Being a real estate agent in the digital age requires more than just showing potential buyers around homes. It also includes using social media to drive business. In particular, Facebook is a powerful tool for increasing your visibility because it has over 2 billion users worldwide. So if you're not tapping into its marketing capabilities, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. But with so much competition and ever-changing algorithms that could alter how your content is seen, figuring out how to stand apart from other agents can be difficult. That's why I've put together these 15 tips geared toward helping realtors excel at Facebook marketing. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your existing strategy, this advice will ensure you stay ahead of the curve and come off as an experienced professional. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kyle Handy and I'm a realtor and team leader based in San Antonio, Texas. I specialize in helping real estate agents of all levels succeed, from those just starting to top team leaders selling hundreds of homes annually. I share the methods that have worked for me, not just theory. My videos provide actionable advice on generating leads, marketing, and prospecting. And you're gonna love this video if you want to improve your skills and take your real estate career to the next level. So get ready for more leads and to reach more connections. Here are the 15 social media savvy tips to use today. Tip number 1, use a professional profile picture. Your profile picture is the first thing people see when they visit your Facebook page. So it's important to make a good first impression. Use a high quality professional headshot for your profile picture. This will help you look professional and credible and make it easier for people to recognize you. You should also use the same profile picture on all of your social media accounts to build brand consistency and make it easier for people to recognize you across platforms. Avoid using casual or unprofessional pictures, as these can make you appear unprofessional or untrustworthy. A professional profile picture is an important investment in your brand and can go a long way in building trust and credibility with your audience. Tip number 2. Use a clear and concise cover photo. Your cover photo is the main image on your Facebook profile and page and is a great opportunity to showcase your brand and what you do. Use a clear, high-quality image that is visually appealing and relevant to your business. Keep the text on your cover photo to a minimum and ensure that it is easy to read. This will help you make a strong first impression and give people a sense of what you're all about. You can use your cover photo to showcase a property, highlight your services, or provide a glimpse into your brand. Whatever you choose, make sure it reflects your values and style as a real estate agent and is consistent with your overall brand image. Number 3, use Facebook's call to action button. Facebook provides a variety of call to action buttons that you can use to encourage people to take a specific action. For example, you can use the Contact Us button to make it easy for people to get in touch with you. You can also use the Learn More button to link to your website or other resources. These buttons are a powerful tool for generating leads and driving traffic to your website, making it easy for people to take the next step in the customer journey. To use the call to action button, simply go to your Facebook page's cover photo and click Add a button. You can select the button you want to use and customize it to fit your needs. Using the call to action button, you can encourage people to contact you, visit your website, or take other actions to help your business grow. Tip number 4. Share relevant and valuable content. To effectively market yourself on Facebook, sharing relevant and valuable content with your audience is important. This can include blog posts, articles, videos, or other content that provides value to your audience. For example, as a real estate agent, you might share tips on buying or selling a home, highlight local market trends, or share the success stories of your past clients. By sharing valuable content, you can position yourself as a thought leader in your industry and build trust with your audience. It's also important to vary the types of content you share and to keep your content fresh and up to date. This will help you keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Real quick, are you ready to take your real estate career to the next level? Well, partner with me at eXp Realty and get access to the latest tools and resources to help you succeed. From our cutting-edge CRM system to comprehensive training and support, we have everything you need to succeed in the real estate industry. Plus, get free access to my inner circle, including all of my courses, private training calls, and one-on-one access to me. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more details. Now, on to the next tip. Tip number 5, use Facebook Live. Facebook Live is a powerful tool that allows you to connect with your audience in real time and build a stronger connection with them. Using Facebook Live, you can host webinars, give property tours, and answer your audience's questions in real time. This can be a great way to showcase your expertise and personality and help you stand out from other real estate agents. To use Facebook Live, simply click the Live button in the Facebook app or on the desktop site. You can start your live broadcast and interact with your audience in real time. You can also use Facebook Live to give your audience a behind-the-scenes look at your business, share updates and announcements, or host a Q&A session. You can build a stronger connection with your audience and generate more leads using Facebook Live. Tip number 6. Use Facebook ads. Facebook ads are a powerful tool that allows you to reach a specific audience with your ads. By targeting your ads based on demographics, interests, and other factors, you can increase the chances of your ads being successful and generate a positive return on investment. To use Facebook ads, simply create an ad campaign in the Facebook Ads Manager. You can select your target audience, set your budget, and choose your ad format. You can also choose where you want your ads to be displayed, such as in the news feed, the right column, or instant articles. Using Facebook ads, you can promote your services, generate leads, and drive traffic to your website. You can also use Facebook ads for retargeting people who've already visited your website or taken a specific action, such as filled out a form or signed up for a newsletter. By using Facebook ads, you can reach a specific audience and increase your chances of successful ads. Tip number 7. Use professional mode for your personal profile as well as using a business page. Using professional mode for your profile and creating a business page on Facebook can help you separate your personal and professional life and make it easier for people to find and contact you for business purposes. When you enable professional mode on your personal profile, it will give you more access to analytics and stats pertaining to your personal profile and posts that you may make about your business on it. Tip number 8, use Facebook Messenger. To use Facebook Messenger effectively, check your messages and respond promptly. This can help you build trust and credibility with your clients and shows that you are accessible and responsive. You can also use Messenger's automatic greeting and quick replies to streamline your communication and make it easier for people to contact you. In addition, you can use Messenger to send personalized and automated messages to your clients. For example, you can set up automated messages to send to new followers or clients to introduce yourself and provide more information about your services and business. You can also use Messenger's chatbots to provide customer support and answer frequently asked questions. Using Facebook Messenger lets you connect with your audience in real time and provide a more personalized and efficient experience for your clients. Tip number 9. Use Facebook groups. Facebook groups are a great way to connect with your target audience and build community. You can use groups to share valuable content, answer questions, and engage with your audience. This can help you build trust and credibility with your audience and position yourself as a trusted resource in your field. To use Facebook groups more effectively, choose the right groups to join or create. Look for groups that are relevant to your business and your target audience. You can also create your group and invite clients, followers, and other industry professionals to join. Once you've joined or created a group, engage with its members regularly. This can include sharing valuable content, answering questions, and starting discussions. You can also use groups to promote your services and events, as long as you do so in a helpful and not spammy way. Using Facebook groups, you can connect with your target audience and build a sense of community around your business. This can help you build trust and credibility with your clients and position yourself as a trusted resource. Tip number 10. Use high-quality images in your posts. High-quality images are essential for grabbing the attention of your audience on Facebook. Using professional, visually appealing images in your posts can increase engagement and make your content more appealing to your audience. Consider using professional photos of properties you're selling or showcasing or using high-quality graphics to illustrate your points. This will help you stand out in your audience's feed and make your content more memorable. Just be sure to use relevant images for your business and your target audience. Before we move on to the next tip, I wanted to remind you to head to my blog and download your free real estate agent business plan. Not only will you get that, but you'll also be added to my email newsletter where you'll receive fresh real estate tips weekly. Simply visit kylehandy.com/business plan to get started. All right, now let's get back to the video. Tip number 11. Post regularly, but not too often. Posting regularly is important for keeping your audience engaged and building a strong online presence on Facebook. However, you don't want to overwhelm your audience with too many posts. Strike a balance by posting a few times a week or even daily, but not more. This will help you stay top of mind with your audience without overwhelming them. Remember that the best frequency for your business will depend on your audience and the type of content you're posting. Experiment with different frequencies and track your engagement to find the sweet spot for your business. Tip number 12. Share blog posts, infographics, and other content from other sources in addition to creating your own content. It's also important to share relevant content from other sources. This can help you provide value to your audience and position yourself as a thought leader in your field. Just be sure to share content from reputable sources and give credit where it's due. You can also use tools like Canva or Piktochart to create shareable infographics and other visual content. By sharing various content, you can keep your audience engaged and provide them with valuable resources. Tip number 13. Run contests and giveaways. Running contests and giveaways can greatly increase engagement on your Facebook page and build your email list. You can offer prizes relevant to your target audience, such as free home staging consultation or a gift card to a local restaurant. To run a contest or giveaway, you'll need to choose a prize, set up the rules, and promote the contest on your Facebook page. Follow Facebook guidelines for running contests and consider using a third-party app to manage the contest. By running contests and giveaways, you can increase your visibility, build your email list, and engage with your audience in a fun and interactive way. Tip number 14. Use video marketing. Video marketing is a powerful way for real estate agents to showcase their properties and connect with their audience more personally and engagingly. By creating compelling video content, real estate agents can showcase the features and benefits of their properties, provide virtual tours, and share testimonials from satisfied clients. Video marketing can also be a great way to provide valuable content to your target audience that they'll find interesting and useful, such as tips on buying or selling a home or local market updates. Using video marketing, real estate agents can differentiate themselves from their competition, build trust and credibility with their audience, and drive more leads and sales. And our final tip, number 15, analyze your performance. It's important to regularly analyze your performance on Facebook to see what's working and what's not. This tip is crucial because it allows you to identify areas where you can improve and adjust your strategy accordingly. Using Facebook's analytics tools, you can see which of your posts are performing well, which ones are not, and what content your audience is most interested in. This information can help you tailor your content and strategy better to meet the needs and interests of your target audience, leading to better results and a more successful Facebook marketing campaign. Additionally, analyzing your performance can help you identify any issues or challenges you may be facing and develop strategies to overcome them. By regularly analyzing your performance, you can ensure that your efforts on Facebook are paying off and that you're making the most of your time and resources. Alright, so to sum it up, Facebook's a powerful platform for real estate agents looking to connect with potential clients and build their businesses. Using the tips that we've shared in this video, you can effectively market yourself and your services on Facebook and stand out in a crowded marketplace. Remember to use a professional profile picture, share relevant and valuable content, use Facebook ads and Messenger, and regularly analyze your performance to get the best results. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a successful and lucrative career in real estate. If you liked this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to my channel. I'm releasing new videos and going live every week. You won't want to miss any of them. Also, let me know which tip is your favorite in the comments below, or just let me know that you watched to the end by typing "End Crew" into the comments so I can give a quick thanks. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.